Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point pericardium 7. This point is located in the middle of the wrist with your palm facing up. You would just take your pointer finger and feel to the middle of the wrist. And there are two tendons there that are pretty easy to feel, but if you don't feel them, simply flex your fingers and you're going to feel two tendons. So the point is literally right on the crease. In clinic, I instruct my patients to apply the fire element acu-stick to pericardium 7 many times throughout the day. The essential oils in the acupressure sticks actually activate the point and strengthen the potential, the healing potential of this acupressure point. So if they don't have time to apply pressure throughout the day, they just use the stick with the essential oil. But if they are using pressure, it's typically in a rotation, clockwise rotation with medium pressure. This is a great point for emotional healing. It also, the pericardium is sometimes called the heart protector. So I'll use it for patients who need to protect themselves from hurts to the heart. But it also protects and strengthens and supports the actual heart organ itself. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.